An exchange just listed BlockDAG, and this exchange is one of the first US compliant exchanges. Today, I'm going to show you how BDAG is now available on a new exchange, how deposits will work, and also a feature many traders overlook, built-in crypto trading bots. Okay, so time for a BlockDAG update, and one of the biggest updates right now is that BlockDAG is now supported on Webot. So if we go to Webot here, we can see that yes, BDAG is supported and tradable on this platform. Now, if you don't know about Webot, this is basically the first official US compliant exchange allowing users in the United States to trade a BDAG. Right now, BDAG is already listed for trading on the platform, which means users can buy it and sell it directly on the exchange. Another important update is happening on March 16th, when Webot will begin supporting BDAG deposits. Now, this means that users will be able to transfer their BDAG tokens directly into their Webot accounts, making it easier to manage and trade their holdings. Now, if you want to try the platform for yourself, you can sign up through the Webot referral link in the description below. Webot is positioned as a US compliant crypto exchange, and the platform provides licensing information directly on the website to show its regulatory standing. For traders who want access to BDAG trading while using the platform that actually follows US compliance standards, this listing is a notable development. Now, Webot also offer trading bots, as we can see here, and there are tons to choose from. These bots are designed to analyze market conditions, execute trades automatically, and run continuously without manual monitoring. On the platform dashboard, you can see multiple bots currently running with different strategies and different profit results. So for traders who prefer automation, tools like this can actually help simplify trading while maintaining consistent strategies. Now, if you are unsure what BlockDAG is, well, this is one of the biggest ever crypto pre-sales to ever launch. They've raised hundreds of millions of dollars, so having access to trading this earlier could be beneficial using the Webot platform. It's also worth noting these guys are fully audited, as we can see here, and they have tons of listings confirmed on Mexi, LBank, XT, etc. But if you want to skip those and start trading it right away, well, you can do that on Webot very easily from the 16th. Now, BlockDAG themselves do offer a bunch of different things, but the important part of their technology and why they've grown so much is because they basically broke through a bit of a filter, which allows their blockchain to essentially process multiple blocks at the same time, which basically speeds up the entire network. Now, of course, the network needs to be run by miners and nodes and things like this, so they do have a bunch of other things here and an entire ecosystem to support their blockchain. So these guys definitely dominating right now, and having access to trading them earlier could be something that's massively beneficial as their pre-sale does kind of draw to a close or go more public. So to recap here, BDAG or BlockDAG's token is now listed on Webot. BDAG deposits will be supported starting March 16th, and the platform also offers built-in crypto trading bots. If you want to check it out for yourself, you can sign up using the link in the description and explore the platform. And as always, make sure to do your own research before trading any cryptocurrency. That's going to be it from me. Have a fantastic day. I will see you in the next one.